Hello my dear student, welcome back to the class. In previous class or in previous video, we have started exercise 1.3, right? With that we have learned various type of property which deal with the multiplication, properties of multiplication, how to deal with the integers when you have negative and positive, when we have to multiply, how to deal with that we have learned, right? Various type of properties like commutativity, associativity, distributive property, those property which we have learned in the previous class, right? So if you have not gone through properly, please I again request you all to go through that properly, because that will help you to solve the further exercise. Okay, so in this video we will continue chapter 1 integer and we will continue with exercise 1.3. but before starting the chapter, I hope you remember I gave you the home assignment, right? So this was a home assignment, exercise 1.3 GHIJ was the homework. So let us solve first of all that, okay, before starting the exercise. So let us solve with number G1 first. So this was the first question, right? Number G, which I have given you the home assignment. So let us do this. I have got the assignment back. You have done it correctly, but this is for those who has not done or who is still confused with this, with the various type of properties which we have dealt yesterday. So to solve this, what we will do is we will look after the we will look first of all two integers. We will solve first two integers and then we will proceed to another integer. So but to solve two integers also we have to look after the sign, right? 9 is possessing plus, yes, 9 is a positive integer, and minus 3 it itself is indicating a negative integer. So inside the bracket what you'll write, 9 into 3, but outside it will be having minus, because plus into minus is rule of negative sign. So plus into minus 6, the remaining one. Okay, so let's put this inside the bracket. So minus 9 3 is 27 into minus 6. So this is your, so this is the thing. Now we have to multiply between these two integer which are both negative integer, pair of integer which are both negative. So minus into minus, we know that it is plus. So and inside 27 into 6. So we all know 27 into 6 is 162. This, if there is no sign, it indicates that it is a positive integer. So first of number G is all complete. So next question is number H. So to solve this, as I have mentioned, that you will look first of all two integers. Here the both integers are negative, so minus into minus is plus. 18 into 5 into minus 4, the remaining one. Now 18 into 5 is 5 is a 40 for 90, all right, is in into negative of 4. So plus into minus is minus. So 4 0 0 4 9 is 36. The answer is minus 360, right? So this is our number. So after H we have number I. So minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. So first of all let us solve the pair one. Let us make it pair, and both are having a negative sign here. So minus minus is plus, and 1 into 2 into, here it is negative and here it is positive. So minus into plus is minus, and 3 into 4, right? So plus is, you don't have to write the plus sign. 1 into 2 into minus 12. So it will be negative of 12. So minus plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus here, and 2 into 12 is 24. I hope you are clear. This is all right. So our next question is J. Make it pair and try to solve it. Minus minus plus 3 into 6. Now don't write again minus here. Okay, you have solved the sign. Many of the students face this problem. I I'm still again repeating that first of all you have to solve for the negative sign, minus minus plus. No, forget about sign now. Just have the positive integer remaining. If you have the negative, you'll write first negative and then you'll solve for the integer. It will become positive. Okay, inside the bracket. Whatever sign you have to put, keep it outside the bracket. Inside the bracket there will be no sign. Okay, don't put sign. Okay, here also minus minus is plus, inside the bracket 2 into 1, no any sign. Okay, make it positive integer. So it is plus here, don't need to put again sign here. 3 into 6 is 18, right? Multiply and plus, so 2 1s are 2. So 18 into 2 is 36. As simple. I hope you are clear till now. We have solved at around 10 with this. So with this home assignment we have solved this type of 10 solution. So there should not be confusion with this minus into minus. Still I am writing for your better understanding. Note this, that minus into that. Okay, I'm writing here, just I don't have a space here. Wait for a while. Okay, this thing you have to remember. Okay, this will help you to solve your exercise. Please do not mess up with this thing, because many of the students make this mistakes. Minus into minus, sometimes they write minus only. No, minus into minus will become plus. Minus into plus will become minus. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Okay, do not forget this. This is a very important thing. Okay, now we will move towards the exercise 1.3. Further exercise we will solve it. Okay, so we will try to solve number 2. Verify the following. Here there are 2 questions given, number A and B, in which you have to verify the LHS and RHS sign. Okay, let us solve this. First of all we will solve for LHS, that is left hand side. So what is left hand side? 18 into 7 plus minus 3. First of all we will solve this. Okay, so let us solve it. 18 into, first of all, as because board mass says that BODMAS, the rule says that you have to solve the bracket first. B stands for bracket, so we will solve for that. Okay, 7 plus into minus is minus. You know the formula. You know the rule. Plus into minus is 3 minus 3. So it will be inside the bracket, right? So 18 into 7 minus 3 is what? 4, right? So 18 into 4 is, what is the 32? 4, 5, 6, 7. 72. Your LHS is 72. Now we will try to solve for RHS. I have little space here, so I'm using the space. Okay, that space only. You have to do in a clear manner. Okay, I request you all to do in a clear manner. You don't be clever. Okay, because I don't have a page here. I don't have a more sufficient space. That's why I am using the little space here. Okay, so RHS 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3, right? So we will solve this. 18 into 7. Okay, let's keep this first like this. Let's solve this, the one which has bracket inside the bracket. Okay, so it was minus 18 into minus 3. It is minus 18 3 is 24, 24 5 54, right? So it is minus 54. It became little dirty, sorry for that. Okay, 18 into 7 is 56, 7 7 126, plus minus is again minus 54. Okay, I hope you have understood this. 18 into 3 is 54, but plus into minus is minus. That's why I have kept the minus here. It is inside the bracket. Now plus minus is again minus 54. Okay, so 126 minus 54 is how much? It is 72, right? So our LHS and RHS are similar, that is 72 and 72. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Okay, hence it is verified. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So use more space. I am saying again, you don't do like this. try to use the space. Okay, so let us move further. Move to the number B question. Okay, here I have written the left hand side question. Okay, in the next part I'll write the another question also. Okay, let us solve for this. Okay, first of all, what we have to do here is there is a bracket inside bracket. Let us solve the bracket first. The bracket inside the bracket. Okay, this one, that is minus 4, minus into plus is minus 6, right? So that we will try to solve first. Again, minus 21 inside the bracket, it is minus 4, minus 6 is there, right? So what will be there? Sign will be minus, but the minus minus is plus, so it will be 10 here is equal to minus 21 into minus 10. Sorry, I have written the step again. Minus minus is plus here, so 21 into 10 is 210. The answer is this much. That's all. Okay, so here we have the RHS side. Now we have to get how much? 210, right? So if the RHS and LHS will be matched, then the equation or the question will be verified. Okay, so let us solve this first. So minus minus is plus here, so 21 into 4 plus, similarly minus minus is plus here, so 21 into 6, right? So inside the bracket it will be, we will solve it directly. 21 into 4 is 84 plus 21 into 6 is 72. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and 8 9 and oh sorry, I have done a mistake here. 21 into 6, that is 6 on the 6 is 12, 126, so it is 210. So this indicates that LHS is equal to RHS, right? So hence the given equation or the statement is verified. Is verified. Okay, sorry for this mistake. Sometimes it happens, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So our next question is question number 3. Number 1, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? For any integer a, okay, consider any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? So it is easy one, no? Minus 1 into a is what? Minus a, right? So your answer will be minus a. So minus 1 into a is equal to minus a. Still, I am showing you the answer. So your question was, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a will be equals to? Is equal to what? Rule of multiplication of integer we have to follow. When we multiply integer a with this minus 1, we get additive inverse of that, right? Additive inverse means minus into plus is here minus a. Additive inverse of that integer is, it is additive inverse plus it is having, when it is multiplied with the negative integer, you will get the negative one. So our answer will be minus a. I hope you are clear. This one is easy. Okay, moving on to the next question, number 2. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. Okay, and B 37 and C 0. You have to determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is this. You have to multiply with this and all. Okay, let us do this. So yeah, this was our question. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is okay, let us solve this. Now here what we have to do is we have to multiply minus 22 with minus 1 so that we will get our result. So minus 22 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus, right? So 22 1 is 22. So our answer is this, right? because when we multiply minus 22 with minus 1, then we get additive inverse of that integer, right? Inverse, minus into minus, it is, we are getting the inverse of this, so that is, we will get the additive inverse of an integer. So next integer we have to multiply with is 37. Okay, so let us multiply 37 with minus 1. So we all know, again, plus into minus is minus, right? 37 ones are 37. Our answer is 37, because when we multiply 37 with minus 1, then we get additive inverse of that integer, right? So our next question is number C. That is, we have to multiply with 0. Let us multiply with 0. 0 into minus 1. Yesterday I have told you that in previous class I have mentioned that whatever the greater number or the smaller number you have, multiplying with 0, the product is, or the answer is 0. Don't put minus here, because 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. Okay. So with this we are over with question number 3 also. I hope you have understood this. This is the easiest one. So moving on to the next, starting from minus 1 into 5. Okay, remember, negative integer, minus 1 into 5. Write various products showing some pattern to show. So pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so starting from this till here, you have to show a pattern. Let us solve this. This is the one of the trickiest one, and you'll enjoy this doing. Okay, let us solve. So number 4 question is this. So starting from this number of integer pattern, what you have to show, you have to do the you have to show the pattern till this. So let us start. Starting from minus 1 into 5 is what? Minus into plus is minus, 5 ones is 5. So you have to get 1 starting from minus 5. So next number what we can use, minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4, right? I hope you are clear. Again, minus 1, only the thing you have to change is this number, 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2, right? Similarly, minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Identity, minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Greater or smaller number you have, the answer is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1. Below the 0 you will get the negative integer. In number line we have discussed about this, right? Above the 0 you will get the positive number 0, 1, 2, 3. Below the 0 you will get the negative integer. The first integer which you are going to get below 0 is minus 1. So minus minus is plus, 1 1 is 1. So now you got this 1. So this is our pattern. Okay, so I hope you have cleared this, right? This is the pattern to show your answer. Okay, starting from minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. So now you can understand, just see the pattern here, minus minus minus, with as the 0 you have, now it is getting increased, right? So below the 0, here it was below the 0, now here it is below the 0, which is having a negative integer. Now this is above and this is below, and here it is below and it is above here. Okay, this is the concept, okay, which we have discussed earlier also, and which after the vast discussion, which we are using that concept here. I hope you are clear with. Okay, student, so let us skip our class till there. Okay, till here. So I want you to give this home assignment. Exercise 1.35 will be a home assignment. Okay, find the product using suitable properties. Okay, any properties, whichever properties you feel suitable, whichever properties you feel easy to do, just do that. Okay, using that properties, you will solve it. Okay, there is certain properties which you have to use for this to solve. You will not use any properties, it is not that. Okay, you have to use the properties which I have discussed in the previous class. Just go through back and recapitulate it and try to solve this answer. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to practice. Okay, thank you so much everyone.